This is the gardening family. Welcoming y'all back to my gardening channel. Welcome back, gardening fantastics. My garden family and I hope that you'll enjoy this gardening episode, and hopefully it'll inspire you to want to garden too. Thanks for your time and support. Yeah, I got more flowers on my marigold. I couldn't even think of the name. Oh, this is my marigold plant. Got more flowers growing on it. It's the newest one. One of them is perishing. They do love its water. This one's getting bigger. Yep. Sunflowers growing. Look at the shoot, I hope this is the Cosmos going wild, getting bigger. Look at my lemon tree over there. I believe. This here, I put some seeds in this pot. Now I forgot what's what, but I'm about to put some water over there. My spider plants are doing pretty good. They like in a cool spot. And y'all call this a money plant. I call it pothos. It like cool shaded spot. But I'm about to put some water on this plant here and see what happens. Just a little update on this stuff. I'm about to dehydrate some of these green onions. Oh look, this one coming up. Oh, one of them I need to stick back in the dirt. And ready to bring you up. This is a crazy video, y'all. Hold up. Yeah, don't be mad, but I forgot. I don't know. This is apple, orange, or lemon, but I started it outside, and it's taking off. So you guys, I'm loving how this lemon tree is growing outside. It's gotten used to the temperature and everything, so it's pretty big now. And I don't know, this might be another one started outside. So they do all right outside. Inside is the crazy part. So we shall be doing updates to share how the Cosmo's doing, the wildflower seeds, plants. It's a bunch of them in this one. I just can't wait to see flowers like these flowers. That's what I'm waiting on for new lemon trees. Ooh. It's a ghost out here. Marigolds moving and I ain't touching them. What's going on? Okay, I gotta put this one back up here. So yeah, it's gonna stay up here by the rosemary. And like I said, those are the sunflowers. Look, they holding up on their own. One of them has drooped over. Ooh, it looked broke. Yeah, it broke. Sure did. I'm going, I don't know what to do for it. Yeah, I done broke it some more. Poor flower. But anyway, we'll see what happens. We got two standing tall on their own. But that concludes the outdoor version now. I'm about to go inside and share with y'all some other stuff. Hold on. Okay, gardening spirit boosters. I'm sharing with y'all some seeds that I placed on a wet paper towel and put it inside of a plastic bag. Here is one of the seeds germinated. I believe it's a lemon seed. I have apple, lemon. Some of them are, I don't know, they look like they mildew, died, or turned into monsters. But anyway, this one I'm about to put in some dirt and see what happens. I'm not really having good luck with these seeds. I put them in dirt and they just dry up and die. So I don't know, I'm not having luck. Hopefully we'll see we'll have luck with this one. Look like the second one is, this one here looks like it is starting to germinate. So I'm going to take the one that's germinated the most out and put it in some dirt and see, and we'll see what happens. I'll keep some updates. Other than that, I'll come back and tell you if it died or not, like the other ones died. I don't know, but just wanted to share. Thanks for watching, you guys. And I want to thank all the new subscribers, and thanks for the subscribers that keep returning and supporting my channel. Don't forget, you guys, to hit the like button, and to please, let's stay connected and let's equally do the work and supporting each other. You don't have to watch the whole video, but please like the video, leave a comment. Love talking to you guys, and y'all have a great gardening day. Thanks for watching. Gardening spirit boosters, I have sprouted some bell pepper seeds. It took a while, I don't know, 2.5 weeks or so, but look, I got some good ones. The majority of them started rotting, so this is just experimental, but I'm glad that something worked out. Now y'all know I did the tomato seeds, but I don't know, I might have took them out too soon because they all dried up. I don't know what to do next. What do? You keep it in here longer? Anybody know? How long do you keep them in the sweaty, in-sealed paper towel to continue growing? Or do I try to carefully take them and put them in some dirt? Do I keep it on the paper, or do I try to carefully take it off the paper? Let me know, you guys. Now I'm about to show you my other seeds. Hold on. Thanks for your time and support.